Hello everyone. It is a Tuesday afternoon on a holiday, so I have the day off today, and I'm using that day to go finish the Museum of Archaeology. Very excited to see the rest of it. We start in the Roman section today, and I'm finishing it before I go home today. I don't know how long it'll take, but I'm finishing it. Right now it is, right now it is 4:14. I'm about to go in. Let's see how long it takes. Just as a note, I also came prepared this time. I have the app downloaded. Sorry, it's windy. So, we'll see if I use the app. I'm not sure, I kind of had questionable reviews, but we'll see.
Hi, Future Emily here. So I realized while editing the video that I never actually mentioned or followed up on any of the things that I said here. So, first of all, I couldn't get the app to work. It has a whole bunch of commentary that looks really interesting, and I tried to download it both at my at-home Wi-Fi and at the Wi-Fi at the museum, and the app just would not work for me. I could not get it to download. When I tried to download it, it would just take like 30 minutes to an hour probably to actually progress on downloading any of them, and it just took forever, and I didn't have the time to download it. So if you have hours to wait, probably 2 hours or more, you can download one, maybe two commentary sets. So I could not get the app to work for me, but if you can, more power to you. Please leave a note in the comments if you can get it to work. So museum tickets are usually €3. That is the regular entry fee. But if you want to go in free, you can go in Saturdays after 2 p.m. or Sunday mornings, or on certain national holidays. The list is on their website. Or if you qualify for the reduced fare, that is €1.50. So if you don't want to pay the €3 and you don't qualify for the €1.50 reduced fee, you can just go on a Saturday afternoon at 2 p.m. or you can go on a Sunday morning or on a national holiday like I did. Okay, back to the video.
I haven't moved this quickly through history since the last time I rode Spaceship Earth. This is the Lady of Elche. These are some of the laws set forth in Malaga by the Roman Empire after they were chartered. Alrighty, it is 6:13 p.m. and I am done. Woo! Overall thoughts, good museum, very interesting, lots of artifacts. And little difficult to get between the first and second floors. You have to go all the way down and around and back to the central stairs or elevator and then go back up. Yeah, other than that, not too difficult. I will say though, even for me who loves history, archaeology, all of that, that was a lot to read. So know that that's a lot of information before you go. Okay, I think that's it. Enjoy the Christmas lights and have a good week. Bye guys.